Building a knowledge base with searchable articles is a great way to provide value to your customers and improve your support system. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to do just that, step by step, so you can start building your own knowledge base today. First, let's talk about why you need a knowledge base. A knowledge base is a centralized repository of information that your team or customers can access anytime. It's especially helpful for frequently asked questions, troubleshooting, product guides, and anything else that requires easy access to written content. By building a knowledge base, you can save time for both your team and your customers, giving them quick self-service access to what they need. So how do you actually build it? First, choose the right platform. There are tons of tools out there, but the one we'll use in this tutorial, link in the description below for an exclusive free trial, is easy to set up and offers powerful features for searchability. If you want to follow along, be sure to grab the free trial that's exclusive to my channel. Once you've chosen your software, start by organizing your content into categories. This is crucial because you want your users to be able to find answers quickly. Think about the main topics you want to cover, whether it's product guides, troubleshooting, or best practices, and create a category for each. Inside those categories, you can add articles that address specific questions or issues. Now, when writing articles, focus on clarity and conciseness. You want to make sure that each article answers a specific question and is easy to read. Break down complex ideas into simple steps and use bullet points where possible to make information easy to digest. The more concise and direct you are, the easier it will be for your users to get the answers they need. Next, optimize your knowledge base for search. This is where things get really powerful. You want to make sure that your articles are searchable so users can quickly find the information they're looking for. Use keywords in the article titles and throughout the content. Make sure the software you're using has good search functionality. It should be able to index your articles and provide quick search results. As you add more content to your knowledge base, continue to update it. Your business will evolve, and so will your users' questions. Keep track of new issues, frequently asked questions, and any updates to your products or services that might require new articles. This will keep your knowledge base fresh and valuable over time. Now, a key part of building a successful knowledge base is feedback. After your users access the articles, let them rate or comment on the content. This will give you valuable insight into what's working and where improvements are needed. With this information, you can refine your articles and make your knowledge base even better. To recap, start by choosing the right platform and organizing your content into categories. Write clear, concise articles and make sure they're searchable by optimizing with the right keywords. Continuously update your knowledge base and use feedback to improve it. And don't forget, the exclusive free trial for the software we used is in the description, so take advantage of that if you want to follow along. The key takeaway here is that building a knowledge base with searchable articles is all about making your information accessible and easy to find. By staying organized and focusing on user experience, you can create a valuable resource that helps both your team and your customers. And remember, grab the free trial in the description below to start building your knowledge base today.